Alright, good morning everyone, or maybe good afternoon. Answering the question of academics, one commissioner. Hi Teach, if it's okay to ask, would you mind sharing how much your starting salary was when you first applied to a private school in Taiwan? I just wanted to get a general idea of whether the salary is livable, and nilagay niya din dun sa comment niya na she was offered or he was offered 60,000 to 62,000 NTD per month sa isang private school. To answer your question, Nix, actually, nung nagtrabaho ko dito sa Taiwan, hindi talaga ako na-employ ng any private school. Kung nasaan ako ngayon, public school to. So I'm under TFETP. So we follow the salary bracket. And during the first year, ang minimum or entry level was 62,000, but that was like 2021 salary pa yon. So ngayon, yung 60,000 to 62,000 na sinasabi mo, actually, lagi kong sinasabi sa sa mga videos ko na do not accept salary that is lower than 60,000. So yung 60,000 na yon, actually maganda na yan as a start, pero kailangan mo rin i-check of course yung mga benefits and any allowances na ipoprovide ng school mo. For example, kasi sa TFETP, we have an accommodation allowance. Sa school mo ba na yan, they will provide your accommodation, or magbibigay ba sila ng subsidy or allowance for it? Kasi yung 60,000 na yan, kapag nabawasan pa yan ng pangrenta mo, tas depende pa yan kung nasaan kang lugar. Let's say for example, Taipei ka, hindi naman mura ang mga rental place dyan. It would cost you maybe 10,000. So it's another thing that you need to decide on or to check with your package or yung offer sa'yo kung meron na bang kasamang accommodation or housing allowance. Aside from that, are there any other benefits kapag babalik ka ng Pilipinas, or alam mo yun, yung round trip airplane, meron bang allowance for that? Another thing is, kasama na ba dun yung meron ba silang meal allowance? For us, we don't have that, but our food that we pay here sa school ko is basically mas mababa, subsidized siya. Hindi siya ganun kataas. So even though we don't have meal allowance, we still choose to pay and buy the food in the school. So yun yung mga dapat mong i-consider. Saan ka ma-assign? Saang lugar yan? Mahal ba doon yung renta? Magkano yung cost of living sa area nyo? Yung sa package na yan, does it include any certain bonuses? Meron ba silang completion bonus or meron ba silang other things? Kailan tataas yung iyong salary? After 6 months ba?